If the silent button is not working on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just open Settings, then tap on Action button. Now from here, just swipe to the right or to the left side and select Silent Mode. Now after you select Silent Mode, now just press and hold the Action button to turn on Silent Mode. Just like that. Then press and hold the Action button one more time to turn it off and to enable ringer mode. Just like that. And if you do a single press, you will see the status of the Action button. As you can see, our iPhone is currently on ring mode. But if this did not fix your issue, then just force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button of your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on Software Update. And from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. But if this also did not fix your issue, then the last thing you can do is just go back and under the General settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then select Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset All Settings. Now this option will not delete any data of your iPhone. It will just reset all the settings of your iPhone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the silent button not working on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.